Hi. Most people try to explain a situation to AI. That works. But it's often faster and usually more accurate to just give the actual inputs, such as screenshots, photos, links, and files. Then add a short prompt to give it some guidance, maybe define the output. Now AI can actually see what I'm looking at instead of me trying to describe it. Let me show you what that looks like. Here's a quick example of using a photo to solve a real, everyday kind of problem. I was installing a new headboard and needed thinner bolts than what the headboard came with. I had the original bolt, but no idea what size it was. So instead of guessing, I took a picture and asked, I need one size thinner than this. What is it? It came back to me with what I had, which was a metric bolt, likely an M10. That's helpful, but not enough to buy something. That was a good start. So then I asked, convert this to standard, as Lowe's doesn't have any M10s in stock. Now I got a direction. Closest match, 3/8. Still not confident on length, so I took one more photo against the ruler. Now it's clear. Go down one size from an M10 to an M8, or in this case 5/16 given the inventory. And that's what I bought, done in about 2 minutes. The key here is I didn't try to describe the bolt. I just took a picture of it and showed it. I then tightened the prompt a couple of times and got exactly what I needed. That's where this works. Here's another quick example. I received an email from Comcast about a class action settlement. I'm a tech guy, not a lawyer, so instead of trying to decode this myself, I decided, let me run it through AI. I took a screenshot and gave it a simple prompt. Act as an attorney and as a Comcast customer. Explain what this means and tell me if I need to do anything. So nothing real fancy here. I didn't overthink the prompt. I just told it what I needed. AI came back with a clear breakdown of what's going on. But more importantly, it came back with this. The bottom line, this is a low-value administrative action, no strategic or financial impact. Spend less than 5 minutes, collect whatever small payout comes. That's exactly what I needed. I didn't need to understand all the details, just needed to make a decision. This whole thing took under 2 minutes, and is another simple example of using AI for everyday decisions. For my last example, I needed to replace these pins on my fishing rod holder. They were all rusted out from salt water. I took a picture and created a simple prompt. What are these, and is there a better version? AI quickly identified them and pointed me to a stainless steel or a marine grade replacement. Then AI did something very helpful. It asked me for measurements. So I gave it 2 photos, one for the diameter and one for the length. From that, it gave me the exact specs that I needed. I took this information and went to Amazon, and I picked what I thought looked right and asked, will these work? Well, this is where it really helped. It caught something that I missed, the usable length. They looked right, but wouldn't have worked. Too short. I would have bought the wrong ones. I found a longer option and checked again. This time they said they would almost work. Well, I decided they would work, and so I ordered them. This is the pattern. Give it real inputs, helps provide context, let it ask for what it's missing, and use it to validate decisions. This is where it actually becomes very, very useful. If you're comparing anything with multiple options, start with the inputs, the screenshots, the photos, links, maybe some files. Add some direction with a short prompt, and let AI do the work. That's what makes it faster, and usually a lot more accurate. One reason this worked is I wasn't starting from scratch. The context carries forward, which made this much easier than Googling. Until next time, take care.